Hi, Daniel. I've got a major announcement. The Team Nutra Company, which is a USA-based company that manufactures state-of-the-art wellness products that will have a big impact on your overall wellness, has made some adjustments in their prices to make the products even more affordable. Okay. This is the Nutra Blast. I believe this is the flagship product that will have the most impact in the long run. I personally add a scoop of this powder that has moringa, and I'll show you where you can get all of the ingredients on my website here in just a minute. Now, the product, I add it to the smoothie in the morning. It's my fruit smoothie. And I tell you, I have sustained energy through the day. There's no jittery feeling. There's no caffeine in this product. And so I want to quickly go on screen share and show you some of the other products. Now, if you go to myteamnutra.com/Daniel and click on this middle link right here called products, and then you'll see what I'm seeing right now. And that NutriBlast Daily Nutritional Drink is now only $49.95. Okay. Now, the Slim Detox Daily Toxin Eliminator is $24.95 for a 30-day supply. Then Slim Energy Daytime Fat Burner, $29.95 for a 30-day supply. And this Slim Weight Loss System is a very affordable $54.90 for a 30-day supply. Okay, so Team Nutra is a company that is all customer focused. It's not network marketing or multi-level marketing. And so you would get little bonus referral commission. Let's say if you have family members that decide to purchase from your link, and the web store is free. You don't have to pay any money to have that. You don't have to have any auto ship or recurring order every month. And here's the other really, really wonderful feature of this company, Team Nutra. They will give you $8. Well, actually, let me say it this way. They will give you 20% on the dollar amount spent. Let's say you have a customer that comes in here and they spend $100 on product. This is the easiest way to share it. They're going to automatically give you a $20 bill for that $100 of product purchased. Okay. So, over time you build up a little customer base, and that could add up to some serious money over time. Okay. So I believe this is the perfect little side hustle. Why? No requirements. You don't even have to buy product. You go in, you join me, you go to myteamnutra.com/Daniel, and then you just sign up, and then you'll have an affiliate link like I do. And then you can go right away and start making referrals. And you don't even have to have an order in to get paid. Every order that is made through Sunday evening Central Time is then paid out the following Friday. Okay, so you get paid every Friday, and then you also get a monthly global pool bonus. But that is something beyond the scope of this video. So that's all I want to share this time. It's just exciting because this is a simple program. This Slim NRG, my short pants, they fell off of my waist a couple of times. And one time I was out in public And luckily I was near my car, so I could open the door and pull my pants up. I need to wear a belt now. And then the other product that I think is very, very impactful is this Slim Detox, because we're daily bombarded with toxins, and this helps assist your body cleanse itself. And so that's it. You can always dial me. Also, I'm in the Pacific time zone, 360-383-0265. This is Daniel signing off for now. And once again, that website is myteamnutra.com/Daniel. And if you want a whole bunch of information and see the labels of all the products and all the ingredients in the products, just go in your browser, itsbetterfood.com. itsbetterfood.com. This is Daniel signing off for now. Thank you.